Replacing the needle plate. Use the straight stitch needle plate when needed. Press the lockout key. Press the needle plate release key and the needle plate will automatically snap off. A message will appear warning that the needle plate is not secured. Remove the needle plate by lifting it to the right. Insert the left edge of the straight stitch needle plate into the opening and attach the needle plate. Check to make sure that the confirmation message appears. Be sure the proper foot is attached to the machine. Press the X key. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the needle does not hit the needle plate. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.